Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be all about Sarojini Nagar shopping haul. So what I really shopped from Sarojini Nagar, I will be showing you guys in this video. So last weekend I was in Sarojini Nagar for whole one day and I did manage to get some amazing stuff from there. And before I begin this video, I would like you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or if you're watching this video for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel Beauty Art. It will only take a second I guess, but it will make my day awesome. And also thank you so much for watching my videos. So the first thing that I got from Sarojini Nagar is this cool t-shirt which I can wear anytime during my workout or to anywhere with blue jeans or so I got this cool t-shirt which says more issues than Vogue, and this I got for I guess 150 rupees, but the stuff is really cool. It looks like a real branded t-shirt. The stuff is super stretchable and it's very soft and comfortable.
He hears what she sings.
Next thing that I got is this cute, comfortable, super summery top, which looks like this. Let me show you this. It has cutout at the back and some embroidery going on the shoulders, and it comes like this. I'm gonna share a video of me wearing this top. So I got this top for 150 rupees again, and what I really liked about this top is the stuff. The stuff is very summery. You won't feel hot when you're wearing it. The next thing that I got is this cool cotton kurta. I really like the color, and of course cotton is like superbly good for summers. So I got this printed navy kurta. The one thing that I really liked about this is that the neck, this has pintex going on the neck, and the neck is like V neck, so it will make you look slimmer, and also V-neck makes you look slimmer. And also what I really like is that it has a pocket also where we can keep our phone, keys and stuff like that. So I really like this kurta. I'm going to share a picture of me wearing. The next thing that I got is the very basic, I'm sorry if it's crushed. I actually got all of the stuff and then I washed it in Dettol water, and then some of the stuff are ironed and some I couldn't iron. So yes, I really like this crisp white top. And I don't know why my camera is not picking up the buttons. This has golden buttons here, and some this pintex are going on at the shoulder. And then we have sleeves with again which can be pulled over, so pulled up. And this is a white crisp plain top in pure cotton, and you can wear it with blue jeans, with any colored jeggings or leggings or denims. I really like this kurta, and this I got for 250 rupees. Okay, yeah, I forgot to tell you the price of this kurta, by the way. This kurta was for 250 rupees. Is this two beautiful pastel colored tops. One is this peach one, this one, the same one. One is this color. Okay, now I think it is visible. So I got this color and this color, and these were for 250 each. And the next thing I got is this cool summery kurta, which is like without sleeve. It came with a sleeve, but I chose to wear it without sleeves. So this has a little sequence detailing at the neck, and This goes like this. I'm going to share a picture of me wearing this kurta. This is a very long kurta and it has buttons going on from neck till the end of the kurta. And this kurta was for 300 rupees. And I actually got it because I saw the same kurta in West Side and it was for 800 or 900 something. So I thought, okay, let's get this one, and this was only for 300 rupees. And plus, the cloth is very summery. I really liked the fabric of this kurta and it goes like this. I'm gonna be sharing a picture of me wearing this kurta. So the next thing I got are these flats. Yes. So who doesn't love flats? And of course, they are so comfortable when you're going out either for shopping or for work, or flats are comfortable. End of the story. So yes, I got these flats from Sarojini and these were for 200 rupees, and the quality is pretty good. I would not say that it's cheap, but yes, it is good. I didn't expect them to be this good, but yes, the quality is good. And I wore these chappals before making this video. I wore these for like 5-6 times. That too for like 5-6 hours, and still they look like this. So yes, I got these chappals from Sarojini Nagar just for 200 rupees.
The bow breaks, the cradle will fall, but mother.
So this will be my favorite top from all of the Sarojini Nagar things that I got. I just love this top. This looks so expensive because of the embroidery going on all over the top. And do you want to see the top? It looks like this. This is the navy top that I got from Sarojini Nagar. It has a V-neck which will again make you look slimmer. And also this top has these polkas going on all over the top, and these polkas are not printed, they are embroidered, and the color is white, light peach, and then plum, not plum exactly, pinky shade going on. So it has 3 dots, and I also liked the detailing at the back. Can you see the buttons? I mean, the first button is white, light pink, and then the pink. I really like this top, and this top was only for 150 rupees. Can you believe? This looks so amazing and this looks so freaking expensive. Not at all a Sarojini Nagar thing. So now you're gonna be seeing a picture of me wearing this top.
Until morning light.
Alright, so the next thing I got is this cool shrug from Sarojini, of course. So I got this cool shrug, and this first looked like, I saw it hanging on the hangers and this looked like a full embroidered shrug, but when I got it down, it is a printed one, but it is really cool, very summery. It came with a belt, but I don't know where I've kept the belt. So yes, this is the shrug. Came with the belt. If you can see, we have to insert the belt here, and you can scrunch it at your waist. Yeah. And this I got for just rupees 250. I'm gonna be sharing a picture of me wearing this shrug.
In her rocking chair, forward and back.
So I got a lot of white this time. I was not really a big fan of white, but I don't know why these days I'm loving white. So I got another top in white color, and this looks like this. Now what I really like is that it has this thingy where you can just tie your neck like this, and I don't know why my camera is not taking the colors of white. It has a very cool embroidery thing going on the neck, and also in the left and right of the neck, and I like this, you know, ties.
sound asleep.
And the cloth is also very nice, and it itself has some design going on with the cloth, but I really like this. It definitely doesn't look like a top worth rupees 250 rupees, but yes, it is for 250 rupees, and I am thinking of wearing all the whites with my blue jeans because that looks so good, easy and simple. So I'm going to be sharing a picture of me wearing this white top.
Bow breaks, the cradle will fall, but mother will.
With that white top, I got the same one in this yellow shade. I love the shade. It's not very yellow, it's not very mustardy also, but the color is very different from what you are seeing in camera right now. But yes, I love this one. Can you see the ties? I mean the fringes, I mean the tassels going on at the neck. Now I think you can see the embroidery on the neck and also at the sides of the neck, and I love the fabric, and I'm going to be sharing a picture of me wearing this top.
The cradle she swings, though baby sleeps.
Now, you won't believe me, but yes, I got a very pretty jumpsuit from Sarojini Nagar just for rupees 350. Can you believe? But yes, this jumpsuit is, I don't know what fabric is this. It is cotton, but it is stretchable. I don't know. Wow, what a combination of fabric. I think it's cotton mixed with spandex, I guess. That's why it's little stretchy. Yes, so the jumpsuit, I really like the print of this jumpsuit. This is without sleeve, and the zipper is going all over from the back. And then it has 2 pockets also where you can keep your phone, keys, lipsticks and things like that. And the jumpsuit looks like this. So I'm going to be sharing a picture of me wearing this jumpsuit.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop.
So the last thing that I got from Sarojini Nagar is this A-line kurta, which is actually exactly not an anarkali kurta because it doesn't have that much flare in it, but yes, it's an A-line kurta. So the kurta looks like this. It has this embroidery going on at the neck, and then the plain sleeves, and then again the embroidery, multicolored embroidery, and the print is like this with some kota work in the end. And this kurta was for 300 rupees. Oh, I'm going to be sharing the picture of me wearing this kurta.
Cozy and fair, mother sits near in her rocking.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite item from all the things that I shopped from Sarojini Nagar. I would really like to know what did you like the most, and also please share my video with your friends and on your Facebook page, and also you can follow me on Facebook. My page name is Butard, and I'm there on Instagram by the name of Butard, and you can also follow me on Snapchat. The ID is this. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.